Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make a 1 skillet sweet potato hash. It's loaded full of veggies and bacon. This 1 skillet hash has everything you need for a healthy and well-balanced breakfast. So let's get started. Start by cutting 6 slices of bacon on a chopping board. I'm using a thick sliced bacon that is paleo and it doesn't have any added sugars. And it's one of my absolute favorites that I buy from Costco. As you've seen in the title, we're only going to be using 1 skillet to make this entire meal. So make sure you're using a large enough skillet to add everything in one pan. I'm using a 14-inch cast iron, and I love my cast iron because it cooks everything so evenly and it also makes everything crisp and golden brown. And then while the bacon is frying, we're going to chop our sweet potato into fine cubes. The smaller the cubes, the faster the sweet potato will cook. I'm using 3 sweet potatoes because my sweet potatoes are on the smaller side, but if you have larger ones, then just use 2. Set the sweet potatoes aside, and then we're going to chop half of a white onion. Then we're going to chop 1 red bell pepper. You could easily substitute for green or yellow bell pepper as well. Once the bacon is nice and crisp, remove with a slotted spoon, and then set the bacon aside. Then add the bell pepper and onion in the pan. Fry for a few minutes until it becomes slightly translucent, and then add the sweet potatoes. Give the sweet potatoes, the bell peppers, and the onions a stir. And while the sweet potatoes are cooking, we're going to finish chopping the rest of our ingredients. Thinly slice a green onion, and I like to slice it on an angle because it looks fancy. Then we're going to chop some red chard. You could easily use kale, rainbow chard, or Swiss chard. I'm going to use red chard because that's what's in season right now and that's what they had at the store. Slice the chard lengthwise because it does get kind of long, and then give it a good chop. Once the sweet potatoes have gotten soft and crispy, add the rainbow chard and mix all of the ingredients together. We're going to just crack the eggs right over the hash. Use a lid to help cook the eggs, or you can easily just slide it under the broiler for a few minutes until the eggs are cooked exactly how you like. I love my eggs sunny side up, so I'm only going to have them under the broiler for a couple minutes. But we're not done yet. Haven't forgotten about my favorite thing, which is bacon. Sprinkle the bacon right on top of the hash, and then we're going to top with those green sliced onions. And then that's how easy it is to make this 1 skillet breakfast hash that is amazing for breakfast or for any meal of the day. It is a complete breakfast filled with healthy carbs, protein, and good, delicious fat from those egg yolks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you loved this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe so you're not missing any recipes, and I will see you guys in the next one.